Alright guys, since things are a little different, I just wanted to show you quickly how to get to your resources. Make sure you go to your planner, your plans, and it's learning. Check for the date. You're going to study arc length and area of sectors today. Now here's the normal thing with the page, but instead of the Google Doc when you get here, you still have your important dates. This is pacing for the virtual class, places to enter some lessons. But it says to click on the image, so you're going to click on the image. I don't know why it's taking you to lesson 8, the review, but go ahead and click up here at home. You can see a copy of your student packet here, and then you click next. And here's the lesson you're going to work on today. You need to watch this video, complete the practice work. This is in your packet. And then you enter your answers here to check them. And watch this one about area of sector. Complete the practice work in your packet and then enter here to check your work. And then the sub has an activity that you'll complete in class and turn in. Alright, I hope this helps. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks, bye.